Hey, what's up everybody? So this is part of a multi-part series on building out Nerdio for Enterprise, using it to deploy AVD and manage AVD overall. So we're going to start with just deploying Nerdio from the marketplace, along with showing you something that I learned already. So if I click create, right, and it loads, here we go. So I'm going to pick my Nerdio resource group and I'm going to keep it in East US. I'm going to show you why in a second. And this is expected to fail. And I'm going to, so I don't think I screwed up. So you can see here the error details. It's really kind of weird, right? You're like, what did I screw up? Is my quota wrong? What the hell? So no, it's actually not true. So we're going to go previous. So it looks like they must have a capacity issue in East US. So I'm going to select East US 2, and you're going to see how we see a completely different situation here. Oh, look at that. Now it actually works. So we're going to click create, and then you're going to see here it's going to initialize the deployment, and it's going to start deploying out all these services. And it takes 15 or 20 minutes for this to kind of come down. And so you're going to see here is it's going to start to deploy all kinds of neat stuff. So it's actually really interesting, I think, is that you can see it's going to deploy like log analytics workspaces. It's deploying SQL, storage accounts, application insight, automation accounts. Like it's just kind of nice seeing how the sausage is made here. It just kind of shows you some of this. And so what we'll do is here we're going to pause here while we wait for the deployment build to complete. So we're back, and the neat thing is it's already complete. So we'll just go over to our resource group and check things out here. You can see here it deployed out all the different aspects and different services. So once we finish, let's go over and check out the Azure App Service just to see what we have going on here. So you can see here, there's our little app service. Let's see how things are coming, if it's up yet or not. So once I hit that, it tells you that things are almost ready to go. It's going to ask me to copy this, launch the Azure shell, and execute that to finish things up. Which is nice. They do a nice job of just kind of telling you what you need to do. Okay, so let's see if we can. Okay, so we're going to pop this in. It did not like that at all, so let's check this out. Okay, don't judge me for using ISE, but we're going to run this via ISE. Just installing some dependencies. See here, it's starting to finally hum along and do some stuff. Obviously, there's a lot of code here. It takes a couple minutes for it to process everything. You can see here, this pops up. Just hit yes. Okay, so we logged in. We're going to run this again. Just to show you here, as some of the stuff is going on, is it's asking me to grant some permissions. I'm just hitting accept. It's a little bit trickier, obviously, as well, because conditional access policies come into effect, and I had to use device code to log in, which is fine. This takes a little bit of time, and so you can see here is it's starting to go through and getting all of Nerdio set up right now. You can see here as it's doing stuff here, it's stopping the web app and it's publishing, it's making all these changes. So now you can see the app service is starting, which is good news for everybody. Okay, so now we have our publishing done, so let's check things out. So we're back here in the Azure App Service. Let's see what happens when we click on it. Presuming that it's up already. obviously taking a minute as the service is still kind of coming up. It's having me log in, so that's good news. Here we go, loading, loading, loading. It says showing welcome. Yep, so the little feature set. Now let's take a look at some of these things, see if we can figure these out. So it's asking me to register, and I will register. Okay, so it's registered. I have an install ID. We'll copy that for later. Okay, we don't need that. We better get our resource group. So let's pick our, we're just doing enter ID. We'll click enroll it into and okay. Just configuring some basic stuff. And actually, we'll just skip that for now. And we'll let it, and we'll come back to review these, but we will okay, we're just gonna select all this stuff for now. Device platform Windows, sure. Send this. Let's enable that. And I think that we're pretty good for now. And let's use that. Okay, and then we're going to click done. Now from here, we're just going to grant our consents. Accept. We have granted consent. Okay. And now we're in. So in later episodes, we're going to be covering a lot more stuff. It's a learning experience for me as much as it will be for you guys. But we're just going to kind of show from the perspective of just really starting out and getting into it. And I'll be talking to everybody soon.